This is the complete beginner's guide to Cash App. Everything in one video, start to finish. Sending and receiving money, adding cash, getting your money out, your own account numbers, Bitcoin, and the safety stuff nobody explains. By the end, you will know the whole app. This is the first screen you see, the pay screen. You type any amount right on this keypad. Let us do $25. Then you have two buttons. Pay sends money to someone. Request asks someone to send it to you. You find people by name, phone number, or their cash tag, which is their username on Cash App. And one thing most beginners never notice, this little USD chip. Tap it, and the same keypad sends Bitcoin instead of dollars. Now the important tab. This bank icon down in the corner is your Money tab. Let us open it. Here is your financial home. Your cash balance sits at the top. Add cash puts money in. Cash out moves money to your bank, and below savings, Bitcoin, paychecks, even stocks. It really is a little bank in your pocket. See this corner button most people miss? Account and routing. Tap it. These are your own account and routing numbers, like a real bank account. Your job can direct deposit your paycheck straight into Cash App, and it can land up to 2 days early. One thing to know, Cash App usually asks you to order its free card before it reveals these numbers, so do that first. For putting money in, you have real options. Add instantly from a linked bank, direct deposit from work, a wire from another account. And this will matters if you do not have a bank account at all. Deposit paper money. You walk into a store like Walmart or Walgreens, hand the cashier cash, and it lands in your app. Getting money out is just as simple. Back on the Money tab, tap Cash Out. Type how much you want to send to your bank and confirm. Then pick your speed. Standard is free and takes 1 to 3 business days. Instant arrives right away for a small fee between 0.5% and 1.75%. If you can wait, keep it free. And that is it. The money is on its way to your bank. Cash App also does Bitcoin right from the Money tab. You can buy it, sell it, or send it to another wallet from this one screen. And you can start with a single dollar just to try it. Now the part that actually matters, keeping your money safe. Set your PIN, and never ever share the sign-in code Cash App text you. No real employee will ever ask for it. If anyone calls claiming to be Cash App support, hang up. Real support lives inside the app only. Same for anyone promising to flip or multiply your money. If it sounds free, it is a scam. Now quick answers to what everyone asks. Do you need a social security number? For full access, yes. Cash App verifies your identity, just like a bank does. Can people see your real name? They see whatever name and cash tag you put on your profile, so choose what you are comfortable with. Do you need the Cash App card? It is optional, but it is free. It works in stores and at ATMs, and it unlocks those account numbers. You order it right here, on the card tab. Does it cost anything to receive money? No. Sending from your balance or a debit card is free too. Credit cards cost 3%, and Cash App only works in the United States and the United Kingdom. 2 more, straight from the comments. If you pay for something with your Cash App card, it shows in your Cash App activity, not on your personal bank statement. And yes, you can link most debit cards as your funding card, including Chime. One warning before you send anything. If you pay the wrong person, there is no undo button. You can request the money back and report it in the app, but treat it like handing over cash. Double check the cash tag every single time before you hit pay. Speed-wise, money between Cash App users lands instantly. And see that savings tile? Cash App pays up to 4.5% interest on your savings when you set up direct deposit. Free money that most people never turn on. And about limits. A brand new unverified account can send around $250 a week and receive about $1,000 a month. Verify your identity and those limits jump way up. And if you are nervous to get started, like a lot of people are, know this. Cash App is a regulated American financial app. With the card, your balance is insured through its partner banks, and everything important sits behind your PIN. Start small, send a friend $5, and you will have the hang of it in a day. And that is Cash App start to finish. The pay screen, your balance, your account numbers, money in, money out, Bitcoin, and staying safe. You can watch everything you do in the activity tab right here. Now go send somebody $5